Hey, 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 welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a makeup tutorial and talk about, let's do this. So I hope you're having a great morning and you have a great plan for your week and you're gonna do amazing things. So let's go ahead and hop in. I've already done that morning skincare with my vitamin C. Gotta prep that skin, guys. Gotta have the perfect skincare combo on the skin and get it ready. It's like a blank palette. You're starting with a clean, moisturized blank palette, and it just helps your skin just soak it up. And when it's soaking up that good moisture and your skincare is feeling great, then your makeup doesn't soak into your pores as badly because it's clean. What? Right? Good morning, Cindy. How are you? Did my Aqua Balm, eye balm, BAM, and my SPF. Because if you aren't wearing an SPF, guess what? You're going to see sun damage on your skin. We don't want clogged pores, and we don't want sun damage. And VDL, I am using the Satin Veil. I'm loving this primer. It really feels like silk going on your skin. So, need some of that. Okay. Let's hop in with our Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha and go ahead and prepare these eyes. Do you have big plans this week, Cindy? Anything amazing going on in your world? I'm going to put just a little bit on my eyes. I'm going to use it as a primer. Okay. So let's pat. So we had a pretty exciting weekend around our house. We had a swimming party we went to on Saturday. My days are all running together. And then we went to Oklahoma City yesterday. Woohoo! Big time road trip, right? Okay, so we are going to... I guess let me go ahead and do my foundation. We're going to use our Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream Liquid. I'm going to put it on my hand. My new car. Oh, how exciting! Your new car's coming. Did you custom order it? Did you get it just the way you wanted it? I love new cars. Okay, so I'm going to pick it up, and that new car smell, there is nothing like it. And my husband has been looking for a mower for his tractor for like a month. And apparently, because all the things, I'm going to pull this hair back, all the things were shut down because of COVID. All the factories were shut down and nobody was making any. So luckily, he scored a great used one. Very nice man. And we were able to go and pick that up yesterday. So now we can do all the mowing. Important stuff. All the mowing. Okay. Got it all. Hi, Ron. All right. Welcome in. I still love the finish of a liquid foundation. There is just something about the way that it finishes on your skin. I love the powder, but I love a liquid finish. Okay, so I'm going to try something new with you guys this morning. We're going to do the Face Shop pomade in brown on these brows. So bear with me. It's interesting. Have you ever used a pomade? Share with me in the comments. So I'm typically a Tattoo Station brow liner, but I've been just experimenting with this a little bit on the weekends. So you want to take the spindle side, and it comes with this little brush, and kind of brush up those brows. And then I'm going to take the other end and just dab it. I mean, it just takes a little bit. And if you feel like you've gotten a little excess, watch. You can just kind of brush it off on your hand and see how it's going to look. I did get a few custom on it, but they are so demanding. It is, I'm telling you, everything from cars to tractors, everything is hard to get. I mean, I know the average person is probably not looking for a tractor mower, So once I get kind of my crease put on, the benefit of using something like this with a small brush is that it's more of a micro braid look. It's that smaller brushes. Okay, let me show you this side. Here. Okay. Let's, okay. Blocked. Sorry. We had a scammer on. You know that you're really making it big time whenever you have a scammer on your feeds, right? Got to take it in stride, take it in stride. Okay, so I'm trying to fill in. I have this little bald spot here. Can y'all see that? That is from my accident as a child. There we go. Yay! I ran under a seesaw and scarred my brow. Okay, there we go. So this side is done, this side is not. What do you think? It's just a finer, more precise look. Okay, let's do this side. So I'm starting at the base and I'm just very gently just brushing it up to stay in that line. So what do you think? Are you ready to experiment with a pomade? Is this something that you have looked at? I have seen, I know there's like an Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade that is real popular on all the makeup channels. I would definitely say that just watching the texture and stuff of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, ours is definitely comparable. So, okay. Those brows. And this is also from the tattoo line, so it's definitely going to stay in place for you. Okay, let's go in and do some eyes. We're going to go in with the Mocha Latte Quad. I'm going to start with 2. We're going to do something a little bit different on these eyes. I'm going to start out on the end here and bring that in just a little bit. Okay. Same here. Notice I didn't start with my number 1 and cover the entire lid. I'm going to try a different eye look for you. Okay, I'm bringing this down. These quads really do make it a lot easier because it has that 1, 2, 3 step. Okay, we're going to go in now with 3, and we're just going to do a little bit of a color block. So I'm just mixing that in the middle and bringing it in just a little bit. And I'm blending those 2 colors. This is just going to give us a little bit more of a muted eye versus the really bold that I normally do. Okay, then we're going to take our other eyeshadow brush. I had a brush cleaning party this weekend. Do you guys clean your brushes regularly? Okay, I'm going in with 1 now. I don't think I like this technique. I'm just telling you. I practiced it yesterday. Okay, what do you think? Do you like our original technique better? What do you think? I don't know. I am a creature of habit. I like it the way I normally do it. What I'm doing with that 1 now is I'm just bringing it down into the eye part. It's a different look. Let me close and let you look. It's a little bit different. I don't know if you can tell it as much as I can. Okay, that's okay. We're going to add a little shimmer. I want to shimmer today. We're going to do our Glimmer Shadow in Fool's Gold. And since I cleaned all my brushes this weekend, we can... Okay, so I'm going to put it on my hand. I'm going to show y'all how to glam up your look just a little bit. If you're like, I feel special today, I'm going to glam it up. So I'm just picking it up, and I'm just going to put it on the bottom of the lid. See how it adds that little bit of shimmer? Just adds a little pop of shimmer for you. It's got a brown, kind of a taupey color. But it's fun. It's something different. I'm not going anywhere, but I have to look at myself in the mirror, so never hurt to have a little shimmer and a little shine. And I'm just patting it on. I'm not really smearing it. I'm just patting it. What do you think? It's pretty. It's pretty. It's pretty. Okay, let's now do our liquid liner in the SuperExtend liquid. Cindy, how is your liquid liner journey going? Are you having fun with it? Are you getting the hang of it? I have to tell you, I do think okay, when you put that glitter on, it's definitely okay. Takes a little bit more work to get that liquid liner. This is also good. You could also do a little wing. Let's pull it out just a little bit. My eyes are aging eyes, so I don't have those young sparse eyes that these young ones do with the pulling up of the wings, but we added just a little bit. Okay, I don't have it yet. It's in the order I just placed, isn't it? It should be here this week. Okay. There we go. We've got some liquid lines on, liquid eyes. All right, so we're gonna do the waterproof Love mascara that has the built-in conditioner for these lashes, because they're gonna give it that explosion, that length, all of the things that we need to have the love on the lashes. I will have to tell you, on that liquid liner, I practiced it on my hand for a while before I actually applied it on my face, because I thought, I'm gonna make a mess with this. Okay, let me show you one coat of the Love mascara. We're gonna go in with a second coat, and I want you to see the difference in these lashes. No need for falsies here. We got them. We got them with our Love waterproof mascara. You can even take, where is, here it is. If you have like a little comb, let me show you. Can you see the lift and the length on those lashes? It's crazy. Crazy. All right. Here we go. Let's do the other side. So one coat is going to get you great coverage. It's going to get you the length. 2 coats is really going to do the volumizing and the thickening, if that's what you're looking for. If your lashes are kind of sparse and you feel like you need some thickening. I will tell you, if your lashes are sparse, this, with I have hypothyroidism, so I lose lashes a lot. This lash serum, best friend, because my lashes on my brows are my brow, and my eyelashes are coming in so thick and so full just from using that at night. It's made a huge difference. Okay, so the eyes are done. Let me give you an up close. Are you ready? What do you think? It's a little different, but it works. Okay, let's do Queen Carnation in our blush. Love Queen Carnation. It's bold. Are you ready? We're going to go in light today. Whoop. You know what? I changed my mind. We're going to do our bronzer. We're going to use it as a little bit of a blush. Check this out. Bam! It's huge. Do a little on my chest. Give myself a little bit bronzed. Okay. Then I'm going to take my, what is this, contour brush. And we're just going to pat it on the pad. I haven't powdered yet, so we can still contour and play just a little bit. Okay. Can you see the difference? Here we go. Take that pad and we're just gonna blend, blend, blend. Blending is your best friend when you're playing with makeup. It's your absolute best friend. It just makes them not look so light, like they're so hard lines. It is amazing the difference that a little bit of contour can do. Okay, now we'll do our Queen Carnation. Now let's be queen. Okay, ready? Here we go. We're just gonna pick a tad up, pat it out on the top. Just doing a little kiss. This reminds me of like a stick blush. Have you ever used a stick blush? It's gonna add a little bit of color to your cheeks, but it also has that hyaluronic acid in it, so it adds a little plumpness, helps to fill in like wrinkles and pores, and it just gives that beautiful sun-kissed color. Okay, I cleaned my brushes this weekend. That's how I know that I have all of these brushes, and I've decided to start playing with them all. We're going to do Love Highlighter, and we're just going to give our face a little kiss of highlight because we just want a little shimmer. There we go. Down the nose, above the lips, so we can have some Kim Kardashian lips. What do we think? Okay, let's go bold on our lips. I mean, why not? We've done everything else bold today. Let's just have a bold look. We're going to do Birthday Balm in Birthday Post. Creamy shea butter. Okay, guys. From the pomade to the eye look, to the contour and the little bit of shine with our highlighter, I think we have our look for the day. I think we're ready to go. So let's go. Let's do this. I hope you have a fantastic day and a great week ahead. Good morning, Elwanda. Love you. Thanks for watching. So go out there. Do your top 3 things first. Make sure you get those top 3 things on your list done first. Don't procrastinate and make it a fantastic and beautiful day. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, share this video. Somebody else may want these tips. And you can pick up these products at your avon.com/jwoolsey and let me know if you need a color match and I'll hook you up. Thanks, guys. See y'all later.